Okay, next step here is we are going to disassemble our valve cover. We have this breather hose that comes out here and it goes to our carb. Depending on how you started disassembling your engine, this may be attached to the carb, or it may be still attached to our valve cover like it is here. It simply just pulls out. We're going to put this aside. You know that that's our breather tube. And then I'm going to take my valve cover off here. So I'm going to grab my wrench. I want to unloosen all 4 of these bolts. And what we're going to see in here is our valve train, and we're going to begin to understand how our valves operate and what's controlling them and how they open and when they open.
So my valve cover bolts, right, Mr. Jerzyk?
Mm-hmm. Sure. My valve cover should come off fairly easy. I have another gasket here that I'm going to want to salvage and not tear, so I'm going to be extra careful with it. Put this back together. Set that aside. And here are our valves. Once we pull the head off, you'll see the bottom side of the valves. But if I go ahead and I spin my engine now, if I pull my spark plug back out real quick, it's going to be easier to spin over because we won't have anything to compress because the spark plug's gone, so that air is going to be released rather easily. So if I pull on it, you can see how our 2 rocker arms come down, and there was opening and closing our valves. The next step that we're going to show you is probably one of the most complicated steps. Real important. We're going to go through those steps in our next video.